Hi guys, welcome back to IKEA. In this video we are gonna review the new products and get inspired from their new room designs. On this cute shelf we have this modern bold color and abstract design vase. But surprisingly, it was not what caught my eye instantly. It was this artificial flower, I believe it's barkwood. It looks very realistic, right? Here they use 3 stems to get this look, in case you want to replicate it. The vase comes in orange color as well, a bit slimmer and taller. This type is perfect to add a touch of trendy design to your home without spending a lot of money. And the barkwood flower steals the show again. Here is paired with a Stockholm vase and it looks spectacular, which is very rare for faux plants in general. Next new product is this Bluetooth speaker. It comes in 3 colors, this happy yellow, classic black, and this muted pink. But what makes this speaker special is the design. It's very cute, it doubles as a decor piece. It comes with an on and off button, a volume button and a cord. It would be even better if it was cordless. Speaking of cordless, this lighting strip is battery operated and rechargeable. This means that you can charge the IKEA batteries with a USB-C cable directly into the strip. It has a sensor that turns the light on when you open the wardrobe or drawer, or you can even choose to switch it on and off manually. Unfortunately, this one was not charged, so I do not know the light intensity. In the sofa section, there is a new armchair that extends into a bed. They have it as a 2-seater sofa as well. The exposed wood frame is very trendy right now, I noticed, but I am not a big fan of the wood armrest on a sofa. It feels a bit like outdoor furniture. But add some cozy pillows and it will become instantly comfier. Quality-wise, I cannot fault it. It's very well made, and for this price range, I don't think you can find anything better. From what I saw until now, I think it's safe to say that IKEA's color for this summer is yellow. The clip-on sofa has this new happy version in yellow with this big flower print. I believe this is a limited edition and you can buy the entire sofa or just the cover. In this room we have an original IKEA DIY. The designer stacked these salad bowls and created this beautiful decor piece. Next up we have my favorite new room from the showroom. The designer really did a great job here. Everything goes so well together, which is not easy when you have an open space with 3 distinct functions. We have the living room, dining and kitchen. The living room area is delimited by the Yatibo sofa and is tied in together with this large Stockholm rug. I also love the bold color of the wall, and we can find a similar shade on the carpet and on the throw pillow as well. I believe this helps to create a cohesive space. This kitchen costs around 3,300 euros without appliances and 5,000 euros with appliances, which is a great price considering how great it looks. It's a method kitchen with Vox drop fronts, combination of oak and dark grey. This beige stone effect countertop is new and it looks very realistic. I also love this pendant lampshades. The design and oak veneer makes it look really high-end. It's actually an older model from 1964 and it used to be called Tivoli, which I wish they kept because the new name is quite hard to pronounce or remember. I just have to show you how this fridge is organized. In my dreams, this is how my fridge looks. All the containers matching. And we have a new product, this water dispenser. Actually, you can put whatever beverage you like to keep cool. It even comes with this filter compartment where you can add fruits to infuse your water. The famous Hemnes line has a new color, this mint green color, that looks really good with the natural wood of the top and the handles. I saw this chest of drawers in this color and also this bookshelf. In this cozy kitchen I spotted a new table lamp. It has a brass base and a milk glass shade in this beautiful shape that reminds me of a seashell, I think. This is actual blown glass, which you would not normally expect at IKEA. I also like that the cord is textile and not plastic. If it were up to me, I would remove all plastic from home decor. I'm always happy to see new handles because they're the easiest way to upgrade your furniture. But these ones are not it. The brass color is a bit off. It has this greenish undertone that I do not like. You see here the other ones in brass color? Those are attractive to me. They are more delicate. I've made my way to the retail section and there are a lot of novelties. I like the ceramic oven dish because it has this scallop detail. I am so bored with plain design that the smallest details make me happy. I love crunchy onion. I didn't know IKEA has this. It's great on salads or sushi. Recently I saved about 10 recipes and didn't make a single one, so this pack is definitely coming home with me. These tiny tongs are excellent for serving. I'm grabbing those as well. At the beginning I was confused about the use of this utensil, but it's actually a spaghetti server. And the circular part is made to measure the right portion size as shown in the picture. These new knives with wooden handles are much prettier than the plastic ones. There is also a new cake serving set, but sadly it's the same greenish brass color I do not like, so it's a pass from me. I've been needing salad servers. These new ones are cute, but I think I'll go with the classic design. Or maybe these Stockholm ones. These serving plates would look fantastic on an outdoor table thanks to the fun colors. Again, IKEA sneaky product placement worked. These cookies were placed strategically because I usually avoid the food section due to my major sweet tooth. And yes, they're coming home with me and will be gone before I get home. Ooh, I see new cups and you can never have too many of them. Since I have the matching plates, it's fitting to get the cups as well, right? I also like these glass ones and they're heat resistant. Now we are getting into the textile part. And if sewing is your hobby, you will love these new pre-cut fabrics and this mending kit. They have so many cute patterns. This watermelon doormat screams summer. But if you prefer something timeless, the jute ones are always elegant. And I love the rug versions as well. This Persian inspired rug is also new and it looks pretty authentic. This is new as well. And this one is hand woven. Natural fiber rugs are special. This one I believe is made from wool and it's double-sided. This one comes in a large format as well, but I do not like it. Some new baskets to get organized. These are especially useful for storing your cleaning supplies and carrying them around the house. This bath mat looks really fun and happy, but I believe this looks good only in very neutral spaces as a pop of color. I was looking for a foldable wash tub. These always come in handy and are so easy to store or hang. This section is great for taking care of your home, and they have some good quality affordable essentials. I'm picking up this leather conditioner. I do not own leather furniture, but I use it for my bags and shoes. If organizing sparks joy for you, this section feels like paradise. They have everything you need and everything you didn't know you needed. This little corner has only handmade products. This vase is really nice. These artificial flowers look pretty good, but natural plants bring your home to life. There are so many nice plants. I've been to many IKEA showrooms and this one has the best plant section. So many varieties and so well kept. To be honest, seeing autumn collection this early feels weird. Summer just started, IKEA, let's slow down. Still it's fun to peek ahead. And don't forget, always check the Etsy section on your way out. Some amazing deals hiding there. If you enjoy browsing IKEA with me, any interaction with this video, like, comment, subscribe, helps my small channel a ton. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.